So I was super excited to get my new bowling bag because it has so many neat features about it. Just overall, like first of all, the straps on it are heavy duty. So when you're carrying your balls, it just doesn't hurt your shoulder or your arms when you're carrying it. And then on the inside, it's very well padded. On the sides, it has this Velcro top. So when you set your ball in there, it's not going to slide around. And also it carries these two balls, as you can see here, and with the divider in between, which is super nice. So you don't have to try to hold one like my old bag did. It will actually carry two bags and keep them separated and padded. And here you can see them actually in the bag. There's just the padding all around it. So when you're carrying it, it's just super, super easy to carry. But the other thing I like is that on the top of the bag, it has a zipper compartment, and the zipper compartment will actually fit like large, your bowling shoes. So you can carry those with you, not have to carry them in your hand. You just unzip it and you can see it's a nice big area that expands out. And then on the front, it also has another little zipper, which is like for your towel or just whatever you want to put in there, but just little extra things that you want to carry with you when you go bowling. And then the other nice thing, as you can tell, is it's got wheels on it. And so when you're rolling it, it's not super loud. Like some of them, I just feel like I've been loud, but this one is not. And then it also has just like a suitcase where it has a retractable handle. So you just pull the handle up and just wheel it around, and it just makes bowling a whole lot easier when you don't have to mess with everything. It's all in the bag. You're good to go. And then as you see here, the handle has this little strap so you can just put it on your arm, and it just makes it nice. So I just love my new bag. I just thought if you're looking for a new bowling bag, this one has so many neat features on it. You can see it's just totally made for bowling, and it's just super nice, good quality. So highly recommend if you're looking for a new bowling bag.